So hello, boys and girls. Week 9 objectives and homework for the week. So in class we talked a little bit about a hybrid being, what a hybrid being was through the character John. John, who's alienated from both worlds because he can't communicate in a way. He speaks the language, but he doesn't share the sign. I gave an example with Sab, a character in a book, Cuban novel. Sabu receives a white education, but he's black, so he becomes alienated from his black community because he receives a white education, but he's always gonna be alienated from the white community because he's black. Okay, so the same thing, similar process happens with John in the book between the civilized and the uncivilized worlds. Now we also talked a little bit about texting that saves lives because this is an example. I put the link of the Google Doc there if you want to have a look at it. Why? Because it's an example of an oral presentation. I'd like you to try to apply what is done, not at the same level, obviously, because as I said in class, it's kind of pretty intense, and she almost cries, and I'm not asking you to do this, okay? But in the structure of the oral presentation, I want you to keep this in mind. How to prepare for an oral presentation, so there's the link over there, and then elements. So this is the elements, and then oral presentation, the grid and the instructions are there. The homework is there. Watch, read, apply week 9 elements is the same one. Prepare an oral presentation for answering the following question. Now, if you have more info about this, you go on this here. There's a tutorial or YouTube clip explaining all the elements of the grid and the instructions for oral presentation number 2. All right, sounds good. Good luck, guys. And this is you have to upload your video and layout before next Friday, April 24th. Now, before asking me any questions, make sure that you have a look at the other YouTube clips because I explain everything about the oral presentation over there. All right, sounds good. Good luck, guys, and have a nice week. Don't give up. Bye.